This beautiful new build is located in Choctaw, Oklahoma, on the very west side of the city limits, and it's located in Carl Albert School District in Barnes Elementary, which is technically a Midwest City School District. This home is mostly all one story with an incredibly open and split floor plan. I am Marcie Billen, and I'm a real estate agent in the Oklahoma City Metro. This home has an elevated, minimalist contemporary design. Windows do an amazing job of letting in the scenery from the 5+ acre lot. The dining area is large enough for an 8, 10, 12 seat or even bigger dining room table, while the kitchen island is perfect for group cooking activities, a large homework space, or that buffet table for your Thanksgiving dinners. You won't run out of prep space for your dinner parties in this kitchen or in the pantry, which also contains a prep sink along with butcher block countertops. The garage side of the home features 2 bedrooms with a Jack and Jill closet and private entry into the spacious garage with gorgeous plexiglass door panels. And then each closet in this home contains an alpha modular closet organizational system to help you create a home system for your family. And then making our way to the other side of the home, we pass by the spiral staircase, which leads to a small loft area, perfect for a game room or small kids' play place. The downstairs study may be my favorite room in this house, with an artistic ceiling fan, several windows, and of course the view over the pond. Opposite the study is the primary bedroom suite with its own set of sliding glass doors, double entry walk-in shower, full soaking tub, and a closet outfitted with that same modular organizational system. Outdoor living at this home includes a porch that spans the rear of the home. And you'll see this beautiful private and treed backyard that's ready for your personal touch. To see the full listing for this home and others like it, please check the description for the link or give me a call to set up a showing.